In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a coloring book in Canva, step by step. Whether you're an artist looking to publish your own coloring book or just someone who wants to create a fun gift for friends, this guide will help you make it happen effortlessly. Let's start by navigating to Canva's homepage. If you don't have an account yet, it only takes a moment to sign up for free. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar and type in coloring book. You'll see a variety of templates pop up. Choose a template that resonates with your vision for the coloring book, but don't worry if it's not perfect since we can customize it in detail. When you open your template, you'll notice Canva's easy-to-navigate interface filled with design elements. On the left side, you'll find the toolbar where you can add elements, text, images, and more. Begin by focusing on your book's cover. Click on Elements to explore lines, shapes, and illustrations which you might want to include. Search for specific elements that suit your theme, be it animals, patterns, or mandalas, and drag them onto your page. You can easily resize, rotate, or move these elements to fit your design. If you want to add text, navigate to the Text section on the toolbar. Choose from a variety of fonts to add your book's title or any other text, adjusting the size and color as necessary for your design. Now, move on to designing your coloring pages. Go back to the toolbar to the Templates section and browse for illustrations you can use. Canva's library is vast, with options ranging from intricate mandalas to cute cartoon animals. When you find an illustration you like, simply click on it to add it to your page. Remember, these shouldn't be too complex as it will be challenging for users to color in. Once you've added all your pages, it's important to double-check them for consistency. Ensure the style is cohesive across different pages, and be sure to align everything neatly to provide a satisfying user experience. Now, let's prepare your design for printing or sharing. Click the Download button at the top right corner of your screen. You'll then be prompted to choose a file type. PDF print is recommended for physical printing due to its high quality. Lastly, for a physical book, consider using an online printing service, or you can print it at home if you have the necessary resources. If you're planning to sell or distribute your book online, be sure to save a digital copy. And there you have it. You've created your very own coloring book using Canva. With a little creativity, you can customize your design to fit any theme or audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see the beautiful creations you come up with.